Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, and today I have a brand new 2021 Dodge Durango to show you. This is the all-new Citadel, which is the luxury trim level for the Dodge Durango. And every time I do a video on these and get in and drive these, this is a true SUV. This is not an SUV built on a minivan chassis that's front-wheel drive. This is one of the true SUVs still out in the market, all-wheel drive, up to 25 miles a gallon as well. So let's come check out this all-new 2021. You notice the all-new front end here. This is also packed full of safety features with collision avoidance as well as adaptive cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, so when you're parking, you're not going to bump into some things. Coming along the side here has alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. The color on the wheels matches the backs of the mirrors here and all the trim, so it really looks slick. Coming on back to the rear, this is equipped with a hitch in the back, but it's tucked behind this nice, neat trim piece here. So if you're not towing and like the style of it, you can put that insert in. It does have towing up to 6,200 pounds, so great for a small boat, small travel trailer, and your utility trailers. Notice the dual exhaust coming out the back here, and of course the parking sensors are on the rear just like they are the front. It does have wiper and rear defrosting window, and check this out. Power rear lift gate. This thing's not haunted. I hit that with the keyless entry. That brings us into the rear here. This rear compartment is really slick. It's got a super deep compartment here for some goods of yours that you don't want out in the open. And then the third row in this will actually flip down flat for extra storage. This cover here can be moved even further up to protect the privacy of all your goods stored in here. With that, let's go check out some awesome features on this all-new Citadel Durango. Come with me. Come on in, take a look inside this all-new Durango Citadel. First, I want you to pay attention to the color of the interior. This is a very unique color of leather trim seats. It's called ebony red. It's something super unique, and it's really pretty inside of this Durango. Also, I mentioned some safety features. This has got a bunch of it, starting with the 10.1-inch screen here that doubles as your backup camera when you hit it into reverse. Of course, it's got the front and rear parking sensors. Your adaptive cruise control is here on the steering wheel. Your blind spot mitigation monitoring is in both the side mirrors there. A lot of comfort features as well inside of this. There's 3 zones of climate control. You have your driver, you have your passenger, and you have your rear. Each can independently select the temperature that they feel comfortable in, and they're all 3 able to be set on auto mode, where you set the temperature and it adjusts the fan and the temperature right there. Also, heated steering wheel for your comfort here. And then the seats up front here, not only are they heated, which is awesome, but they're also air cooled as well, which is super nice on that hot, hot sunny day. Speaking of sunny days, like today, we've got the moonroof in here. And also, for your convenience, you can program your car garage doors or gate openers up to 3 here. And you also can pop up that lift gate right here by pushing this button here. So super easy, super comfortable driving car, but not just for the driver, also for the passenger. So let's go check out the rear of this all-new Citadel. All right, so in the second row of seating in the Citadel, you really have a lot of the same comforts that you did in the front row. Still the really pretty ebony red leather trim seats. These 2 seats here are heated, and then it also has a super convenient console here in the center. A couple beverage holders, nice spot for cell phones right there, and a lot of storage in here. Now there's power options available inside of here. It has both USB and a 12-volt power outlet inside of here for your charging devices, as well as USB outlets down here. And there's even a 115-volt electrical outlet down here. So a lot of nice features. Heating and air conditioning controls up top here. And then this particular Durango has seating for up to 6. So I'm gonna jump back in the back. Hazi's gonna flash a picture of me, and we'll show you how a 6-foot tall grown adult fits in the third row. So with that, my name is Michael Sherry. As always, we are your factory direct source here for the all-new Durango. Whether you're here in Ohio or all the way out in California, we will beat the competition on price and service. So give us a call today. We'll post some links below of how to contact us. As always, financing is available nationwide, and we can get you pre-approved right from your home by filling out the application. Trades are definitely welcome. We can also give you a trade value by just filling out the application down below. We'll give you an offer right there on your trade. So with that, my name is Mike. Brian Hosey's behind the camera, and we appreciate you watching our video.